Hello everyone, welcome to our app Be a Savior. Um, Basically, we have got this idea from our society that nowadays girls are very unsafe in our area. So on seeing that many incidents happens with them on daily basis. So on and people came on road for candle march and they show their sympathy with them. So on seeing that we have got an idea that uh, it would be helpful, it would be grateful for them and helpful for peoples out there that the person who are doing candle march and showing their sympathy would got will got a chance to help that girl uh, and see and to help that girl. So on and that note we have made this app for on the idea of women's safety and coming to our app. So this is our login page, landing page, and which consists of two sections, one for user who needs help and the other one is for savior who will help the girl who is in trouble. Let's first log in as a user. Here we have to verify ourselves through our phone number and OTP send on it, and also you have to enter your name, then click on login button and you will be redirected to OTP filling section. Let me first enter my credentials here. Uh, okay, so here you can see the timer of mm, of OTP coming here, and here the OTP comes, and now I will enter the OTP. My keyboard auto detects it, and now I am logged in to the user home page. So after filling that OTP, we will logged in the user home page. Here you can see two sections. One is you can see your nearby volunteer by clicking on this button, and by clicking on first button, and second one is for emergency SOS, which helps you to connect with savior and police when in emergency. By clicking on see your nearby savior, you will be redirected to our next page that shows the location of your nearby savior. By clicking on location marker, here you can see our map, and this this circle basically shows the volunteer location near you, and the red marker shows your location, and the blue marker shows the locations of our volunteers. Okay, then by clicking on that marker, you will be able to send a mail directly to our user, that our volunteer, for help. Like I am typing, I am in trouble, please help me, and I have sent it to one of my volunteer. Okay, then you might be doubting that why we have introduced the idea of email not for call. So it is unsafe for our volunteers. We have to take care of their safety also. Someone can misuse their location by someone can misuse their number if we, and for that we have kept their details encrypted, and and only shared their email. And here you can see the Google map icon and direction icon. By clicking on that direction, you will you you will now use Google map. By clicking on here your location and where you want to go, you can start your journey from here, and you can see the route whether you are going correctly or not. Okay, so Now coming back to our user page again, here you will see the second button, that is for SOS, emergency SOS. By clicking on this button you will be redirected to SOS page. Here you will see the image showing SOS, and on clicking it you will be able to contact women helpline women helpline for emergency help. That, like, I am clicking, and here I can when I click on phone, then there is a number shown, and we can directly contact to this number. As this number is a dummy number, we have put this for trial only. And now going back to our home page again, here came to our home page again, and by clicking on sign out, we will be directly sign out of that user login page, and we will come here, we will be redirected to our landing page again. uh, Now coming back to our landing page, here we will now see our savior section. By clicking on sign in, you will be redirected to savior login page, and here you have to first register if you want to become volunteer and help the girl. And if you have already logged in the app and then you have to enter here your email and your password that you have registered, that you have entered while registration. I have already registered here, so I am putting my email address, registered email address here, and the password that I put here. And by clicking on login, I will be redirected to my user to my savior homepage, to our savior homepage. And here you can see a button of upload your identity proof. Basically this is for verification of our volunteer, that whether he is safe for serving people out there or not. We want to keep a identity, so that if anything happens, if he would do anything with other people, then he or she will, then we can contact him easily and get him punishment. And by clicking on this, we can directly upload a photo from our we can upload our Aadhaar card or any identity proof from your phone. So I am picking up a photo from my gallery. So on clicking it, pick an image from camera roll, I am redirected to my gallery, and I am selecting this Aadhaar card image. This is for demo only, and I cropped it and I submitted it, and it is submitted successfully. Then coming to our use savior homepage again, by clicking on that sign out button, we can directly sign out from this page, and we will now redirected to our landing page again. And here you can see a SOS button, and, mm, which is for emergency help, that if anyone in hurry, in an emergency urgent, if anyone needs an urgent help, then he or she uh, then she will not have the time to register here or log in here. That's why we put here a number, uh, um, women helpline number, so that she can call there directly and get some help. Okay, so this is the whole idea of our app. Thank you for watching this.